Hello guys, good day, and welcome to my TED Talk. And I would like to ask you guys a question. Can we make Rizal obsolete? Well, imagine a world where the past no longer holds meaning, where we discarded the lessons of history simply because time have changed. Would we truly progress, or will we lose something invaluable? Well, today, I invite you to consider this. Can we make Rizal obsolete? Some argue that Rizal, our national hero, belongs to the bygone era. But I stand before you to say, Rizal is not obsolete, nor can he never be. Renato Constantino once challenged us with a provocative thought. Our task is to make Rizal obsolete. But what does this truly mean? Constantino's argument was not about erasing Rizal from history, but about surpassing his ideals, about creating a new generation of heroes relevant to our own time. While this is a noble challenge, the truth is that Rizal's principle remain vital. Rizal's ideas transcend time. Rizal fought not with weapons, but with knowledge, critical thinking, and the power of words. Today, in an era of misinformation, fake news, and political unrest, his advocacies for education and enlightenment is more relevant than ever. The truth is that Rizal principles remain vital. His dream was not just for independence, but for a nation of thinkers. Filipino who questions, challenge, and strive for a better society. The modern Filipino still face the same struggles: corruption, poverty, inequality. These are not relics of the Spanish era. They persist. Rizal's writing, particularly in Noli Me Tangere and El Fulgurismo, expose the danger of oppressing and ignorance. To say that Rizal is obsolete is to say that this problem no longer exists. But they do, and so does our need for his wisdom. A nation without memory is a nation without direction. Making Rizal obsolete would mean turning our backs on the foundation of our national identity. His legacy is not meant to be worshipped, but to serve as a guide, a torch that illuminates our path forward. Instead of discarding Rizal, we must reinterpret him, modernize, modernize his idea, and apply them in the context of today's struggle. So, can you make Rizal obsolete? Well, the clear answer is no. Rizal is not a relic of the past. He is a blueprint for the future. It is not our task to erase him, but to build upon his dream too. Well, that's all I have to say. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.